Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off video autoplay on X. So to start, open X app. Now go to your profile at the top left. Next, scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and go to Accessibility, Display, and Languages. So here you have four options. You have Accessibility, Display, Languages, and Data Usage. What we're going to do is to click on Data Usage. So here you have a lot of options. Look for Video Autoplay and tap on it. So here you have three options: on cellular or Wi-Fi, only on Wi-Fi, or never. So set it to never, and that's it. That's how you can turn off video autoplay on X. So again, go to your profile at the top left, go to settings and privacy, go to accessibility, display, and languages. Next, go to data usage and go to video autoplay and set it to never. So when you open X, those videos will not play unless you open it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.